No, oh shit. Oh shit.
Try to get up.
Oh fuck, oh shit, oh my ass. I got this. Sweating right now.
Best exercise ever.
Shit.
Why did you agree to this?
I thought I would have been. I wouldn't fall. Fuck.
Oh god. Okay. Oh god! How did you do this?
Magical. I'm going to record your reaction.
My arms are useless.
Yes, exactly. How does it feel like to be a turtle? This you can't get up like that either. I tried.
Wait.
Good luck. You're just ripping apart the tape.
What now?
You ripped apart the tape.
But I still got up. Better than you. Now get this off me.
No.
Now.
Rip out Hulk style.
Now.
You can't really see? See?
I'm sweaty enough that my hands glide.
My hands glide. Best description
Touch
ever.
this.
Yeah, that's what was before. That's why my hands are kind of wet.
Stop recording me.
You're supposed to do the popping now. Oh shit! I almost dropped your phone.
My nose is itchy. Hurry, hurry. Other side. On the side. Put your finger out.
I'm putting my finger out. What do you want?
Leave it there. Right here. Down. Okay. Wait, stay.
What are you doing?
Okay. Perfect.
Are you sweating it?